Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'll be talking about WordPress website development, digital marketing, AI automation. So please do subscribe to my channel and all the necessary links are given in the video description. So do check it out. Here in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can change name servers of your Godaddy account, Godaddy domain name. So for example, let me select this. This is something which is I cannot escape, so I'll press got it. Until then, I'll pause the video. So yeah, once you open your domain name, you can come down. You can see manage domains option in the right side. Click that. Once you click that, you can see DNS option here. Click DNS. So here you can add all the DNS records, whichever you want to add. We'll go to name servers. Here you can click change name servers. By default, Godaddy name service will be selected. If you want to use some other name servers, you can click this and you can add your name server 1, name server 2, click save, then cancel. Within 24 to 48 hours, your name servers will be updated and you can create a new website there. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to my channel.